Hello students, I am Mohammad Asim. In last lecture we did some past papers questions of the topic functions. Today we are going to do some more past papers question of the same topic. Let's have a look question number 21. What is question number 21 is, this question came in June 2016 paper 1-2. Question is part A. The table shows the values of the function fx for some values of x. The values of x and fx are given in the given table. When the value of x is 1, the value of y is 5. The value of x is 2, then the value of y is 7. When the value of x is 3, the value of y is 9. X is 4, then 11. X is 5, then 13. What is the question? Question is express the function fx in terms of x. Students, we have to write first we have to closely monitor the relation between x and fx. See carefully. If I write 5, 2 into 1 plus 3 means 2 ones are x is 1, 2 ones are 2 plus 3 is 5. Similarly, if I write 2 into 2 plus 3, see carefully, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 3, 7, and this is 7. If I write 2 into 3 plus 3, 2 3 is a 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, and see 9. If I write 2 into 4 plus 3, 2 4 is a 12, 12 plus 2 4 is a 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, see 11. If I write 2 into 5 plus 3, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. So see carefully, whenever we put this x 1, we will get 5 by using this relation 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is same throughout the numbers. X is 1, we get 5, x is 2, we get 7, x is 3, we get 9, x is 4, we get 11, x is 5, we get 13. It means, excuse me, we have to put 2 into x plus 3. What we get when we put x1, we get 5. 5 means fx, 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 and this is fx. So what is the question? Question is express the function fx in terms of x. The answer is fx is equals to 2x plus 3. So I am writing answer directly. I hope you understand, this is just rough work. The answer is fx is equals to 2x plus 3. Whenever you put the value of x is 1, you get 5. 2 ones are 2 plus 3 5. Whenever you put 2, 2 to the 4 plus 3 7, and so on. So this is the answer of part A of question number 21. Come to part B. In part B, gx is 8 minus 3x over 2. Student, it is not necessary that the function of x is always given in the form of f. Whenever you see the function in the form of f, you always call function of x. Whenever you see the function in the form of g, this is same, you also say this is also the function. You can see in the form of hx as well. So it is not necessary to write the function is always in terms of f. So the function gx is given 8 minus 3x. What is part 1? We have to find g minus 2. So put x minus 2 where you see 8 minus minus plus 3 2s are 6 over 2. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 over 2 is 7. This is part 1. And part 2 is find g inverse x. Again I am saying there is no difference between f inverse x or g inverse x. All steps are same. What is the first step? The first step to replace gx by what? Y. Next step is make x as the subject of the given formula. 2 into y, 2y. 8 minus 3x, move this 3x becomes plus 3x. 8 minus 2y then x is equals to 8 minus 2y upon 3. The next step is replace x by f inverse y is equals to 8 minus 2y over 3, and finally replace this y by x. You will get x 8 minus 2x over 3. This is final answer. I hope you completely understand how we get this answer. Okay, let's have a look next question. This part is very interesting. With the help of the values of x and fx, find the formula of fx and x. Okay, see another interesting question. Very easy question. This question is question number 11, November 2016, paper 1-1, and the question is fx is equals to 3 minus x upon 10, part A. Evaluate f of minus 1 over 2, part B. Find f inverse x. Very easy. First solution, given that fx equals to 3 minus x over 10, we need to find in part A f of minus 1 over 2. So 3 minus x is 1 over 2 over 10 is equals to 2 3 is 6, 6 minus 1, 5 upon 2 upon 10. This is 5 upon 10 2s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 1 upon 4. The answer is 0.25. I hope you understand how we find the value of f of minus 1 upon 2. 3 minus x upon 10. 3 minus x is sorry. I did a big mistake. What mistake? See carefully. Actually, I forgot to write minus 1 upon 2. I just write 1 upon 2. This is wrong. So I am doing again part A. Extremely sorry. F of minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 3 minus x. X is already minus 1 upon 2. So this is the mistake. 10. 3 minus minus is plus 1 upon 2 upon 10. Now 2 3 is a 6. 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2 upon 10. If you see double fraction, you have to multiply this number by this number. 10 2s are 20. You can write 7 upon 20 is our answer, or you can write 7 upon 20 is what? 0.35. So whatever you want to write, 7 upon 20 or 0.35, you will get full marks. I assure you. Next part. Part B. Fx is equals to 3 minus x upon 10. We need to find f inverse x again. Replace fx by y. Replace, make x as the subject of the given formula. 10y is equals to 3 minus x. 10y, or you can write, you can shift this minus x on other side, becomes plus x. 3 minus 10y. Now this is x is the subject of the given formula. Next step is x, replace x by f inverse y. 3 minus 10y, and finally replace y by x. F inverse x is equals to 3 minus 10x. This is the final answer. I hope you understand. What is next part? Next question. The next question is, This question came in November, question number 11. Sorry, question number 10. Question came in November 2016, paper 1-2. And the question is given that fx is equals to 4 plus 3x. Part A, find f of minus 2 whole 1 over 2, and part B is find f inverse of 5. Solution: given that fx is equals to 4 plus 3x, the first part is A, f of minus 2 whole 1 upon 2. This is mixed number. So first we have to convert this mixed number in the form of improper fraction. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 upon 2. So 4 plus 3 into x. X is minus 5 over 2. Plus minus minus 3 5s are 15 over 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 15 is minus 7 upon 2. Or you can write minus 3 whole 1 upon 2. This is the answer. The next part is find f inverse. So fx is equals to 4 plus 3x. First step is y is equals to 4 plus 3x. Second step is make x as the subject of the given formula. The third step is replace x by f inverse y, and the final step is replace y by x. X minus 4 over 3 answer. Okay, I hope you students are really enjoying this topic. This topic is very easy. The next question is June 2017, 24, part B, June 2017, paper 1-1. Student, we are doing functions past papers. In this question, 24 part A related to another topic. So we will not do this. In part B, question is fx is equals to x minus 3 and gx is equals to x square plus 1. Part 1, find f of minus 5, and part 2, find m given that g of m minus 3 is equals to 17. Very easy question. Solution: first part is given that fx is equals to x minus 3. The first part of the question is we need to find f of minus 5. So we have to put minus 5 where we see x. X is minus 5, minus 3, minus 5, minus 3 is what? Minus 8. Minus 8 is the answer. Now come to part 2. What is part 2? Part 2 is related to g of x. So first we have to write g of x is equals to x square plus 1. Given that g of m minus 3, so first we have to find g of m minus 3. We put m minus 3 where we see x. So x square, m minus 3 square plus 1, and the value of this whole g of m minus 3 is given what? 17. M minus 3 is m square. Apply a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab 6, m plus 9 plus 1. M square minus 6m plus 9 plus 1 is 10. Move this 17 on other side, minus 17 is equals to 0. M square minus 6m, 10 minus 17 is what? Minus 7 is equals to 0. And now apply the method of factorization or quadratic formula, whatever you want to apply. M square minus 7m plus 1m minus 7 is equals to 0. Make factors, take m common, m minus 7 plus take 1, m minus 7 is equals to 0. M minus 7, m plus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that m minus 7 is equals to 0, m plus 1 is equals to 0. Move this minus 7 on other side, move this one is other side. Hence our answer is m is 7 or minus 1. I hope you completely understand part B of question number 24. Let's have a look next question. So I am rubbing this. Okay. Today we will finish the whole topic functions. Next question is okay. June 2017. Question number 14. June 2017. Paper 1-2. And the question is fx is equals to 3x minus k over 4. Part A. Given that f11 is equals to 7, find the value of k. Part B, find f inverse x. Very easy question. Solution. First take fx is equals to 3x minus k over 4. F of 11 means we have to put 11 where we see x in the question. So 3 into x, x is 11 minus k over 4. And the value of this whole f of 11 is 7. 3 11s are 33 minus k over 4. This 4 should be multiplied by 7. 4 7s are 28 is equals to 33 minus k. Move this minus k on other side and this 22 on this side. 28, 33 minus 28 is 5. Hence the value of k is 5. Answer. Part B. Find f inverse x. Fx given 3x minus k. We have already find the value of k. So we put minus 5 over here. Now find the f inverse. There are 4 steps. First is y is equals to 3x minus 5 over 4. The next is 4y is equals to 3x minus 5. 4y plus 5 upon 3 is equals to x. Replace this x by f inverse y. 4y plus 5 upon 3. And finally replace y by x. 4x plus 5 upon 3. Answer. But if you keep k in the question, if you don't write 5, the value of k 5 over here, and you keep writing 4x plus k upon 3, again you will get full marks. Okay. Next question. Let's see what is next question. What is next question is very easy. November 2017. This is question number 7. November 2017, paper 1-1. This 7 is the past papers question number. Question is fx is equals to 3x plus 7. Part A, find f of 3.2. Part B, find f inverse x. Solution. First part is given fx is equals to 3x plus 7. First we have to find f of what? 3.2. So 3.2 is equals to 3 into x. X is 3.2 plus 7. Multiply 3 into 3.2. It's very easy. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6 plus 7. 9.6 plus 7 is 16.6 is your answer. Very, very easy part and very, very easy topic. The next part is fx is equals to 3x plus 7. Replace fx by y. Make Sxx the subject of the given formula. Replace x by f inverse y and replace y by x. X minus 7 upon 3 is the answer. I hope you understand this question. X minus 7 upon 3. Okay. Let's have a look next question. November 2017. Question number 4. November 17. Paper 1 2. Given that fx equals to x upon 4. Part A. Find f of 1 upon 2. Part B. Find f inverse x. Very easy. Solution. fx is equals to x upon 4. First we have to find f of 1 upon 2. So replace x by 1 upon 2 into 4. So 4 2s are 8. 1 upon 8 is the answer. Next, move to another part. Another part is part B. Fx is equals to x upon 4. Replace fx by y. X upon 4. 4y is equals to x. F inverse y is equals to 4y. F inverse x is equals to 4x is the final answer. Very easy question, very easy part. Okay, let's have a look next question. The next question is what is next question? June 2018. Question number 15. June 2018, paper 1-1. Given that fx is equals to 3 minus 2x, gx is equals to 4 x cube minus 1. Part A. Find f of 5. Part B. Find g of minus 2. C. Find and simplify. What? F of 4x cube minus 1. Solution. The solution is given that fx is equals to 3 minus 2x. Part A. First we have to find f of 5. So f of 5 is replace x by 5 in the given function. 3 minus 2 5s are 10. 3 minus 10 is minus 7. So minus 7 is the answer of part A. Come to part B. Given that gx is equals to 4x cube minus 1. Find g of minus 2 is equals to 4 or minus 2 cube minus 1. 4 into minus 2 cube is minus 8. If you see odd number power in odd number of negative number power, minus to the power odd number, answer is always negative. Okay. So 4 into minus 8, minus 32 minus 1 is minus 33 is the answer. C. The last part is fx is equals to 3 minus 2x. C part. And we need to find f of 4x cube minus 1. 3 minus 2. Put 4x cube minus 1 where we see x. X replace x by 4x cube minus 1. 3. 2 4s are 8x cube. 2 1s are minus minus plus 2. Plus 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 8x cube is the final answer. I hope you understand. Now refill my marker ink. You need to wait 1 minute or less than a minute. Okay students, see next question. What is next question is we are doing past papers of the topic functions. Next question is June 2018. Question number 11. June 2018 paper 1-2. And the question is fx is equals to 1 over 3x plus 2. Part A. Find f of minus 2. Part B. Find f inverse x. Very easy, too easy. Solution given fx is equals to 1 upon 3x plus 2. We have to find f of minus 2 is equals to 1 upon 3 into x. X is minus 2 plus 2. 3 minus into minus 2 minus 6 plus 2. 1 upon minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4, or you may write 1 upon minus 4 or minus 1 upon 4. Both are same. But usually we practice to write minus of 1 upon something. That's why I wrote instead of 1 upon minus 4 to minus 1 upon 4 is same. Okay. The next part is given that fx is equals to 1 upon 3x plus 2. We need to find f inverse x. Replace fx by y. 1 upon 3x plus 2. Multiply 3x plus 2 by y. So y into 3x plus 2. Because this is divide, this should multiply the side. Y into 3xy. Write down in order. 3xy plus 2y is equals to 1. 3xy is equals to 1 minus 2y. And 3 and x is equals to 1 minus 2y, and this 3y should be divided on other side. 3y. Replace x by f inverse y. 1 minus 2y upon 3y, and the last step is replace y by x. 1 minus 2x upon 3x. Answer. I hope you completely understand this question. Okay, next question. Next question is November 2018. Question number 6. November 18th, paper 1-1. Fx is equals to 3 over x plus 4. Part A is find f of minus 6. Part B is find f inverse x. Again another easiest question. Solution. Part A, given that fx is equals to 3 over x plus 4, we need to find f of minus 6. 3 over x is minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 is what? Minus 2, or you can write minus 3 upon 2, or you can write minus 1 whole 1 upon 2. All are same. If you write 3 upon minus 2, or if you write minus 3 upon 2, or if you write minus 1 whole 1 upon 2, all of you get full marks. The next part is part B. Given that fx is equals to 3 over x plus 4, replace fx by y, because we are going to find out f inverse x. Multiply this x plus 4 by y, because this is divide. Y into x, xy, y into 4, 4y is equals to 3. xy is equals to 3 minus 4y. X is equals to 3 minus 4y. Now upon y. Now x becomes the subject of the given formula. Replace x by f inverse y, 3 minus 4y upon y, and finally replace y by x, 3 minus 4x upon x. I hope you completely understand how we find f inverse x. Okay, next question, and this is the last question of today's class and this topic as well, because I hope you can do all questions without my help, because we have done lot of practice of these past papers of the topic functions. Last question. This is question number 6, November 2018, paper 1-2, and the question is fx given 2x plus 5 upon 3x. We have to find f of minus 2, and we have to find f inverse x. Now students, we have to find solution. First part is solution part A. What is fx? Fx is given to x plus 5 upon 3x. F of x, x is minus 2, is equals to 2 into minus 2 plus 5 upon 3 into minus 2. Next step is x minus 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 5 upon 3 to the minus 6. Minus 4 plus 5 is 1 over minus 6, or you can write minus 1 over 6 is the answer. The next part is to find f inverse x. So f of x is equals to 2x plus 5 upon 3x. Replace fx by y is equals to 2x plus 5 upon 3x. 3x into y, 3xy. 2x plus 5, 3xy minus 2x is equals to 5. Take x is common, x 3y minus 2 is equals to 5. Then x is equals to 5 over 3y minus 2. X becomes the subject of the formula. Replace x by f inverse y is equals to 5 upon 3y minus 2. This is 5. And finally replace y by x is equals to 5 upon 3x minus 2. This is the answer. 5 upon 3x minus 2. Okay student, so this is our today's class, and we have finished almost all past papers of the topic functions. And if you have any problem or any problem in any part of this topic, write in comment box. I will help you. And kindly do subscribe my channels, and you must press the bell icon button so that you can get all notifications of my videos. Kindly like my videos and share my videos to other your friends as well. Okay student, see you in next class.